Quench skin's thirst with the real results of hyaluronic acid and replenishing colloidal minerals. Skin is detoxed from daily impurities by engaging in a bath of vitamin C and exfoliating enzymes for smoother, supple skin. Superfood antioxidants replenish depleted skin nutrients while reducing inflammation and brightening skin for the ultimate skin hydration experience. So let's see Lyra Clinical's real hydrating treatment in action.
Upon a completed and signed consent form, combine 5 to 6 drops of the Spa Nourishing Oil with MYSTIQ Illuminating Cleanser, cleansing and nourishing the skin, removing the eye makeup if applicable, massaging into the skin for up to 1 minute, then removing with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. Next, with dry hands and a dry face, cleanse the skin with the Pro Exfoliating Cleanser, re-wetting the fingertips for a more stimulating massage, massaging into the skin for up to 1 minute, then removing with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. And now on to the detox step. Apply the ice refining mask to the skin with a silicone brush or the fingertips, applying to the entire facial area. Allow the mask to dry, pulling impurities out of the skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Then spritz the skin with the pH solution, massaging it in till a creamy mixture forms, and removing with a tepid barber towel. For our exfoliation step, combine equal parts of Vitabrite and the MYSTIQ Infuse C, whipping it together with an applicator or a mask brush. Apply it to the skin with your fingertips or a brush, gently massaging in if applicable, and allow the skin to rest for 2, no longer than 5 minutes. Then proceed to remove the mixture with a cool barber towel until no activity is felt on the skin and the client's activity is at a 0. Balance skin by spritzing the pH solution across the entire facial area, or applying directly into the palm of your hand and gently pressing into the skin. This allows the skin to pH balance as well as remineralize with colloidal silver, gold, and plant stem cells. For our masking step, combine equal parts of the Bio Hydrating Mineral Mask and Bio Caviar Cream, a favorite among many clients, whipping it together with an applicator or a mask brush. Apply generously across the skin, lightly massaging it in for a more even application. This mask can be applied chilled for an additional calming benefit. Allow the skin to rest for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove with a cool barber towel. To brighten, apply 3 to 4 drops of the Pro Lite Serum or the newly released Pro Brite-Plus, massaging it into the skin. Lyra Clinical puts brightening benefits from start to finish in every single treatment. Massage 3 to 4 drops of the BioHydra infusion into the skin until completely absorbed. The unique combination of hyaluronic acid, restoring plant stem cells, and so much more are all incorporated into this uniquely formulated, lightweight hydrating serum. Refine skin by applying the Pro Retinol Plus treatment, working it into the skin. This triple threat hydroxysome delivery system escorts stabilized retinaldehyde for anti-aging, resveratrol for antioxidant benefits, and adenosine stimulating the skin, all with hydration and no irritation. Some activity may be felt on the skin during this step, and it is normal. And now on to the eyes and lips. Gently massage the MYSTIQ Perfecting Eye Cream into the eye area, around the orbital bone, and up into the lash line, hydrating skin, brightening skin, and reducing dark circles as well as puffiness. Next, apply the Bio Lip Factor with an applicator for a slight glossy finish. Choose your client's preferred broad spectrum daily sun protection of either SPF Solar Shield 30 or BB cream color of choice. If applying a BB cream, use a pat and roll application, beginning in the inside of the facial area towards the nose, working out to the hairline. Thank you for joining us today. For further information, please visit lyraclinical.com or contact customer service at 877-440-5472 or info@lyraclinical.com. Thank you for choosing Lyra Clinical. Be bright, be beautiful.